With Leon, we talk speed. Traditional hybrid cloud solutions can take months to install and configure, but with Leon, the full solution stack is up and running within days. Our clear prerequisites process means installation is fast, smooth, and hassle-free. Our high-value out-of-the-box content further accelerates the process, from pre-configured software packages to ready-to-use integrations into monitoring, backup, antivirus, and change management systems. Leon arrives pre-equipped with everything you need. The speed continues as we implement customer-specific use cases faster than others due to our innovative service blueprint concept. Efficiency and speed are in Leon's DNA. Once Leon is installed, you can immediately start utilizing fully automated day 2 operations on all your onboarded servers. Tasks like starting, stopping, or restarting a server, adding and resizing disks, snapshot creation, CPU and memory changes, Leon automates and documents them all. Each server, each task, every time. Within 1 quarter after project kickoff, Leon starts eliminating the manual effort in both areas, lifecycle management and security operations, resulting in fast return on investment and a boost in productivity for your teams. To learn how Leon can benefit your organization, schedule a demo today at ait.cc.